welcome back to another video. I'm super excited to have you here on my video. Can I just say we almost are hitting 3,000 subscribers. I'm so excited for each one of you guys to be here. So in today's video, we're going to be making some nice fall earrings. I told you guys they were coming. So we're going to be doing some fall earrings. These are the ones that I make in today's video. So I'm super excited to show you how I make these. Very kind of easy design to make, and you can really just be free of how you want to design it. But I love them. I think they just are perfect to throw on with cozy sweater and do any colors, all the things. So I'm excited for you guys to get these, and then I'm also excited to kind of show you how I make them. So let's get right into the video. Hey girl, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been a part of the Oh So Pretty squad, I'm so glad that you're back. If you want to join the squad, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and you are in. On this channel, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my handmade accessories business, as well as give you helpful tips and helpful information for running a small handmade or product-based business. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's create something oh so pretty. Okay, so what you see here is for the base of these earrings. I really wanted to create something that was very creamy and cozy feeling. So I created this like creamy white or creamy like beige color with some speckle in it. And during this whole little collection of earrings, I really took the opportunity to use some of the scraps. So that green that you see, the burnt orange, I think the gold was the only color that was like semi-new, and I actually did use some scraps to form that gold as well. So all of these colors are handmade or hand mixed, not hand mixed. They are custom mixed colors, nothing straight out the pack. And so what you see me doing here is I am actually creating some shapes that I'm going to use to put on here to really give it this organic feel. So I do squares, big squares, or rectangles and little boxes, and I just use some of my shape cutters to make some really organic feeling shapes. And then I also went through and did some of these snakes that I don't like saying. Y'all gave me a bunch of suggestions, but I can't remember any of them. So these little things, right? These little squirrely things that I'm putting on here to give it some movement, and like I said, just that texture, the look of texture. And then what I'm going to go back and do, what I'm doing now, is I'm going to flatten all of those things out. And then I'm using my fish filter to go ahead and get some nice texture going on. I actually textured the front and the back of these earrings because it just made them super effortless to sand. Didn't take much sanding, didn't take much finishing on the end, on the back end. So I really love that about this new collection. And so shout out to one of my subscribers who said, you just need to get the fish filter. And I knew about it, but I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and order it. So if you're looking for this same type of texture, which is hard to see right now, but you'll see it later on in the final clips, but you will, have an opportunity to, check my Amazon link. Everything I use is always in my Amazon link, guys. So make sure you check that out if you're looking for some of the tools I use. For the most part, some things I get from other places, but for the most part, everything is there. I just wanted to give you guys a little realistic view of what my desk looks like right now. It's in chaos. So, but to continue on with this video, I'm going to be assembling these. I already drilled the holes for the bottom. If you guys already don't know, I know I don't always tell you guys all the details because this is a watch me create, so you can figure it out on your own. Just kidding. But I use my Dremel and I do the holes. So what I do, if you guys don't know, I always, for the most part, 99% of the time, I secure my backs with the glue. I'm currently using the Loctite super glue, and then on top of that, I glue them down, let that dry for a few minutes, and then I do a coat of UV resin. I'm using this UV resin, this clear one right here, and that's what I do. It just really gives me the peace of mind that these posts are not going to come off no time soon, unless people toss them around in their purse, which is a no-no, so don't do that, or don't like keep them up. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling these holes for the top parts. All the bottoms are already drilled, so let's get started with that. So you know what that means, a little time lapse. And I'm gonna clear my desk so y'all can't look at this chaos while I'm drilling. Let's go. Boy, do I wish it was this quick. This was only about 9 pair of earrings, so it really didn't take long to get these assembled. Like I said, it took very little sanding, so basically it was make, bake, drill, and finish them up. So that's always a win-win. Okay guys, I just want to show you a quick tip right here. You see these two earrings right here that I have in my hand. You see one has a really great, like a great wiggle. You see that? A great little shake. This one is a little bit more stiff. So if you ever like, okay, it's not quite the same, you want to, easy way, because the holes are already drilled, so I can't really change that. This hole probably is drilled just a tad bit too far in. One of the ways that you can combat that issue is you can take off one of your pieces and either do it to this top piece, or I'm gonna do it to the top because I feel like that's gonna give a better impact. And then you want to take your Dremel. Oh, don't do that. I want to take this off. I'm gonna add this one on this head, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drill it down a little bit, so it's a little bit of a shorter. Okay. Drill this one anyway. Looks like I did not drill it. So just getting it down a little bit so you have a better hang time. So let's find that piece again. Here it is. Go ahead and put this back in. And put this piece back on. So now we have a better hang. Just got rid of some of that little extra clay that was down there. So now they both shake, wiggle at the same rate. It's hard to see it because of the way I'm holding them. The camera's facing down. But yeah, they shake the same now. All right, that's how you fix that issue. So we have one more pair to assemble. Go ahead. Always make sure your edges are nice and soft and buttery. That's how you stand out from like an amateur maker, is making sure your pieces are smooth. That's how And then after I put these together, if you find that they're a little bit dusty, I have like a little brush that I brush them off with, and sometimes I add a little Renaissance wax to shine them up a little bit, especially on like a matte piece. All right, so that is that. So they are all assembled. Oh, actually, no, they're not. Forgot these two. Oopsie doopsie. Got one more set to do. I went with black on these jump rings just because, you know, these are for the fall. I feel like, you know, these will be a great statement pair of earrings to put on with some solids. You can do creams, you could do blacks. You could do any of the colors that's in here. And I feel like, you know, that fall you can do the black, really gives it that. The jump ring, I feel like the colors already stand out for themselves. I didn't really thought about doing gold, which would have still looked good, but I feel like they didn't really need it. So, yes. All right, well, that is that. I will come back once these all are complete. All right, so these are all done. They look so good. I still barely think you can see the texture, but believe me, it's there. Next time I'll make sure I'll get a super close up, but with the texture, it's kind of hard to see. Oh, I think I'll go in for it. And boom, you can see it a little bit. But yeah, they came out super dope. I love them. I think they can go with so many things. And they're neutrals, neutral colors, cozy, fall, giving me super fall vibes. So yeah, I'm excited for them. They look super dope. And I love them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. All right, guys, that was so good. I'm so excited about how these turned out. They were fun to make, and if you're here, part of the TGIW squad or group, hey, we're so excited. Hopefully you watched all the videos tonight. If you didn't, if you don't even know what that is about, check the description, and we have all of the videos linked in the description so you can go back and check them out. Because Amber and Courage, they had amazing videos tonight, and we've in A&O, and I would love for you guys to check those out, so make sure you do that. And if you're like, oh my gosh, she makes these earrings, they're so cute, I want them. If you guys don't know, I want to remind you, I always make a very, very limited amount of earrings just because I want you to have unique, one-of-a-kind earrings. So I don't want to make huge batches of them. At least that's the story right now. And as far as like, I would probably never have like huge batches of them. But anyhow, that's neither here nor there. But what I do want to remind you is that I would love for you to go and get on the tech squad, and that's going to let you know when, number one, I have any deals or promotions. It's also going to let you know when I have a new drop. So once I make the earrings and they're ready to go to the site, usually that takes anywhere from a month to get onto the site for the most part. And so you will know, like, okay, these are when these are coming out. So don't forget to get on the tech squad. You can just go to oliviaheyward.com to join it. It's completely free to join, and it'll let you know when new things are happening. Promotions right now, I'm doing an amazing sale on my site, so if you haven't had the opportunity to check that out, I definitely would, because I have earrings as low as $5. I never do that, but I want these earrings to move and just make space for fresh ones, so I'm having a really low sale. So go check it out, shop, and get you some new things. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.